Let's get deeper into the physiology of what happens when we consume carbs. You got into this a little bit, but let's take it right from when carbs enter the body, they go into our digestion. What happens after that?
So carbohydrates, so remember there's three major macronutrients in the body. So there's in foods. So all foods are sort of contain varying amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Those are the macronutrients. So carbohydrates are chains of glucose. Proteins are chains of amino acid, and fats are fatty acids. Okay, so those are the component parts, and carbs, proteins, and fats are simply sort of long chains or conglomerations of these different macronutrients. So they're all processed differently. So carbohydrates are glucose. When you eat them, your body absorbs this glucose. As you absorb the glucose, the blood glucose goes up and insulin also goes up. As insulin goes up, it takes this glucose and lets the cell use that for energy. And any excess, because when you're eating, you're taking more energy than you need at that specific point in time, then your body is going to store some of that energy. And you store energy in the form of glycogen. So glycogen is glucose. So you take the glucose in the carbohydrate, which is arranged in two major forms, amylopectin and amylose, breaks it into glucose, which are sort of molecules, individual sort of components. And then you restring it into this long chain called glycogen, which is stored in the liver. And if you don't eat, so when you go to sleep and you don't eat, well, your body then takes that glycogen, chops it back up into glucose, sends it back into the blood, and there, you don't die.